Yo, this one's for my girl Peppa Pig. Today we're gonna be learning about the shotgun mic and how to use it right. The shotgun mic, it's pretty tight. Your sound will be nice if you set it up right. Step 1, grab a mic and an audio recorder. You'll also need a cable and a pistol grip holder. Step 2, turn on the Tascam, plug in the ports. Check your audio levels and then you're ready to sport. Step 3, position the mic just out of frame. Angle it down and then you'll win in the game. Roll camera, roll sound, and make sure and clap. You'll need the audio spike when you edit this rap. The shotgun mic, it's pretty tight. Your sound will be nice if you set it up right. That's the end of my tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it and subscribe below for more original content.